Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you step by step on how you can fix mobile view on Shopify. Now if you open your own Shopify store on desktop and you feel like everything is great, but when you open it on your phone, the Shopify store doesn't look good. Maybe the banner is bigger, maybe the text, maybe the logo, maybe. Now this will be fixed after you apply the exact steps in this video. So what you guys need to do to fix mobile view on Shopify. Now this is, like I said, very quick and easy. All you need to do, guys, you want to go to the description of this video and you want to copy a code. Okay, don't worry, this is not hard or anything like that. Just copy the code and then after that follow the steps. Now what you guys need to do, you want to click on, of course you want to open your Shopify store and then you want to click on online store. Now after, guys, you click on online store, what you guys need to do next, you want to click on these three little dots. Okay, like I said here, online store, click on themes and then you want to click on these three little dots here. Okay, and then you want to click on edit code and here you want to search for theme liquid. Okay, this is how it looks like. Okay, it's called theme.liquid. Okay, as you can see here, click on it. And below head, as you can see here, below head, you want to paste that code that I have told you guys to copy in the description. Just paste it here, Ctrl V, and that's it. Okay, as you can see, just paste it below head, as you can see here. Okay. All right, now after you paste, click on save. Now check if the problem is fixed or not. Okay, now check the mobile view and see if the problem is still there. Now if the problem is still there, what you guys need to do, you want to click again on online store, click on themes and then you want to click on customize. Okay, now after you click guys on customize, you want to click on mobile here in the top right, click on mobile and this is how it looks on mobile. Okay, this is your Shopify store and this is how it looks on mobile. Now if there is something, for example, if the header, if the announcement bar is not showing fully, or if the header is if the text is bigger, you can change it, you can make it smaller, you can do a lot of things. For example, here heading, you can change this text, you can make it smaller, as you can see here, small, and this text is smaller. Now you can also change this header. Okay, you can change it, as you can see here, menu, you can change it. You can do a lot of things. Okay, you can just customize this as for the mobile. Okay, you can customize this for the mobile as you want, as you can see here. Okay, you can make a space. I'm going to remove this space, as you can see here. You can also change the text, you can do a lot of things. Okay, this is exactly how it's going to look on the mobile view. Okay, on the mobile, this is how your Shopify store will look like. Okay, now if you want to change, for example, the text, you can do that. You can change the text type. Okay, you can do a lot of things here. You can make it bigger, you can change you can make it bold. Okay, you can make it italic, as you can see. You can also insert a link if you want someone to click on that text and they will take them directly to a website or anything. Like, just click on this insert link and then paste the link here of your social media or whatever, and each one, if someone clicks on that text, it will take them directly to your website, okay, or your social media accounts. Now if this video, guys, helped you, please drop a like. Like I said, you can change the buttons, you can change how the buttons look like, you can do a lot of things. Okay, just make sure you click on the mobile so that you can see how it's going to look on the mobile. So hopefully this video, guys, helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video. Please, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single one.